If you're dealing with drywall sanding dust and want to avoid all that nasty respiratory irritation, you gotta know how to handle that dust like a pro. So, first off, always use dust extraction tools when sanding drywall. These bad boys suck up the dust right where it's made, so it doesn't fill up your whole space. Next, don't even think about skipping the mask. Grab a good quality respirator mask, not just a flimsy one, to keep those tiny particles out of your lungs. Keep your workspace well ventilated too. Open windows or use fans to push the dust outside. Wet sanding can also help since it keeps the dust from flying everywhere in the first place. Try to clean up often using a vacuum with a HEPA filter instead of just sweeping. That way you don't kick up more dust. If you can, do your sanding outdoors or in a separate room to keep the dust away from the rest of your house. And don't forget to wash your clothes and shower after sanding so you're not carrying dust around on you. Taking these steps seriously will save you from coughing and sneezing fits that last for days. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall sanding dust is not using the right mask. Regular dust masks just don't cut it, so switch to a respirator rated for fine dust. Another common issue is ignoring ventilation. Working in a closed space traps all that dust and makes breathing a nightmare. Lastly, many skip on proper cleanup and just sweep up the mess. That stirs up more dust and sends it back into the air. Fix these by upgrading your mask, setting up fans or open windows, and using a vacuum with a HEPA filter instead of sweeping. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right without the hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people looking for their skills and grow their business easily.